no more speakers in the ceilings. We're talking about speakers at ear level like you would experience at a concert or a stage. You're talking about mobility and portability, so you can change them, move them around the room. They get smarter. It's just going to be an all-inclusive experience that is very simple for a non-technical, not like beep, beep, and boop person to do.
I'm Jane King at the new American home in Winter Park, Florida, and with me is Tony Zumbo of Bang Olufsen. How does Bang Olufsen stay on the cutting edge of technology while still kind of maintaining that heritage?
To talk about the future, we have to look at the past. Bang & Olufsen's 100 years of innovation. Jump to 1986, we have the first multi-room audio distribution system. Jump to today, we have the Mozart platform, which is operating at just a small percentage of what it can. It's a platform that allows for growth and future-proofing. It also incorporates all the legacy products. So we bring that heritage back in where we can use older products that are 30 years old in the new products today.
And it seems like premium sound is not just becoming kind of a luxury, but also something that people really are expecting now in their homes. Is that what you're seeing?
That's correct.
Yeah.
So a person who expects premium and luxury is going to expect that sound, that video to be as premium as the countertops or the fixtures that they're putting into their home.
Now, at the new American home, you've worked with just about every subcontractor, I think, in building this, starting with the architect. So talk about that whole supply chain and what you do to make sure that the end product is what the client is expecting.
You said it right. What is the client expecting? The client actually has the vision of the home, and that's relayed to the architect, who then takes that vision and molds it into this thing that the client is going to appreciate for 100 years, or their family is going to appreciate for 100 years. So starting with the architect, our technology design group is right in there, figuring out what the client's going to want, how they're going to live, what they're going to enjoy. It's the same as mechanical or electrical or plumbing. The technical part is very important to the build, so we start very early. Then we get the interior designers, and they are bringing the heart and the soul to the house with the architect's oversight. They're creating the materials. For instance, that TV matches exactly that wall panel.
Let's can we take a look at that TV
Sure,
while you're
sure,
speaking?
sure.
Okay, so we've got the speakers in the front,
Yes.
which will move,
Yes,
are
they do.
moving, yes.
So up they are house speakers, and down they're center channels for the surround. They're also a fabulous art piece that discreetly hides the big black panel that would normally be on that wall. So it's a very beautiful approach. Bang & Olufsen has atelier programs and bespoke programs, so all real wood, real metal can be changed. So if the decorations or the aesthetics change, the product can change as well.
I was just going to ask about that because it matches everything else perfectly, and that's something that Bang & Olufsen catered to.
That's exactly right.
So, today's homeowner builder likes the beauty and the brains, part both. So how does Bang & Olufsen play a role in that?
Well, they're clearly in the beauty. They have been in collaboration with Balenciaga, Yves Saint Laurent. So in the luxury world, Echo Adder, in the luxury world, they're hand in hand. So the beauty is there. The brains come from their infrastructure. Being an innovator, their products are wireless. The products communicate to each other, and the products are able to be expanded upon with, you could take one speaker and stereo pair it to another. That's a big deal in the audio world, because you can buy one and then later on you can buy the second.
Yeah.
But what really we see our clients trending to are sustainability and back to the heritage. We have products in our service department that are 35 years old that were handed grandparent to parent to child. They're bringing them in, having them refurbished, and then put back into the world. The premium customer, or the discerning customer, is looking for that longevity. With the cradle to cradle, there's no more designed obsolescence, where we're filling garbage fills with plastics. Bang & Olufsen has real wood, real metal, and then real design that makes it circular. It could be expanded on, or it could be disposed of environmentally. So when our discerning clients are looking at purchasing something, do you want something that lasts 100 years, or do you want something that you're going to pitch in 3 months or 6 months or 2 years?
So looking ahead to the home of 2030, what will sound look like? What are things that are on the horizon?
Boy, I think it's going to sound like the whirling of networks, because as the network and Wi-Fi technology over the past 10 years has exceeded expectations on connectivity, no more speakers in the ceilings. We're talking about speakers at ear level like you would experience at a concert or a stage. You're talking about mobility and portability, so you can change them, move them around the room. They get smarter, so if I move it from one point to the other, it knows it's there. And it's just going to be an all-inclusive experience that is very simple for a non-technical, not like beep, beep, and boop person to do.
Tony, thank you so much. Amazing work. And I'm Jane King at the New American Home for GenWealth TV.